Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Introducing myself. My name is Agung Widodo. NIM 152406069. Kelas 15 1B30. Prodi Informatika. Today I will discuss the simple present. Okay. What is simple present? Understand simple present tense. Simple present tense is an English tense used to express events that are regularly repeated or that always true, such as current event, general fact or truth, habit, unchanging situation, emotion, and hope. Next. Characteristic of simple present tense sentences. Express habit or routine used to describe activities that are done regularly or repeatedly at first, like always, often, usually, never. Indicated affects that describe a situation or condition that does not change in the near future. Using the best form of the verb. Verbs remain in their best form except for third person singularity subject. He, she, it. Where the verb get an, s, or es ending. Using the simple present tense for instruction or schedules. Simple present is sometimes used to give instruction or a fixed schedule. Next. Simple present tense function express or emotion or feeling. The first function of the simple present tense is to express expression of feelings through sentences. You can use simple present tense sentences to command instruction. Simple present tense sentences also function to express order or instruction using simple present tense sentences. 3. The scheduled event. The next function of the simple present tense sentences is to express events that will be held in the near future. 4. General truth. Simple present tense sentences also have the function of expressing a truth that is around us. 5. Repeated action. The function of the last simple present tense sentences is to show activities or action carried on in everyday life. Next. Simple present tense formula. Simple present tense divided into verbally simple present and nominal simple present. The verbal simple present tense use a verb that show an action or course of action, while the nominal simple present use the verb be or what is usually called to be. In the book entitled English Skill Booster Grammar Tense Vocabulary Converse written by M. Furqon and Desi Sugiyarti MPD. Grammars can learn the formula for the simple present tense of present tense as well as grammar tense vocabulary and conversation in the other English league and can help you to improve your English skill. Okay, next. Verbal simple present. The ending s or es on a verb is only used on the subject he, she, and it with adding the endings s or es. There are rules the way to find out which verb use the ending s and es is verb ending in the letter Y and the letter before Y is a vowel that add S to the verb. Say becomes says example sentences. Sonia says everything is going to be alright. By become example sentences that build a new game console. Pray becomes praise. Example sentences he prays 5 times a day. Verbs endings in the letter Y and the letter before Y is a consonant that then add es to the verb and remove the letter Y to become. Study becomes studies. Example sentence Budi studies so hard for nation examination. Care becomes carer. Example sentence Mom carries the baby with to stroller. Try becomes tries. Example sentence Tigers tries to eat the deer. For the verb that end in the letter O, C, S, C, X, and Z. S, ID added to the end of the verb. For example, go becomes goes. Example sentence she goes to the market every 7 p.m. Watch become watches. Example sentence he watched TV after working. Okay, next. Example of present tense sentence that use verbal formula rules are: apart from the formula above, another simple present tense is the simple present nominal which used to be sentences is that used to be are generally verbs that do not show an action. The formula is nominal simple present. To be I use a subject I to be used for the subject he, she, it. To be used for the subject he, you can take the example of sentence that use the to be formula. Are my mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. They are not from same class. They are not for same class. Are you Mr. Hadi? Are you Mr. Hadi? Is a student? Is he a student? Okay, next. Simple present tense pattern. Tenses are part of basic grammar. When studying tense, we will come across the term first person singularly or plural second person singularly and third and third person singularly or actually. What constitutes first person second persons, and third persons. Okay, next. First person singular. The first person of is the first person point of view, in this case referring to the speaker of right in the first person singular. The pronoun is I if oneself is the subject using me or my or mine. If oneself if oneself is the subject and show ownership. Okay, the situation that usually occurs when using the first person singular is when you want to introduce yourself or want to explain yourself. For example, yourself. My name is Hana. I live in East Jakarta. My name is Hana. I live in East Jakarta. Example of the simple present tense if it is an object. Anja send me a letter. Anja send me a letter. Example of simple present tense sentence showing go ownership. Okay, next. First person plural. The pronouns use the first person plural are we if it is the subject as, if it is the object, and or if it show ownership. However, as and or ours, but mean we and use. So to know which one to use, you have to know the concept of the sentence first. Example sentences as subject: we are from Bandung City. We are from Bandung City. We need to go right now. We have to go now. Example of sentence is a subject. He tells us about a horse story. He tells us about the old horse story. Look, that person is staring at us. Look, that person is staring at us. Example sentences as ownership. She is our daughter. She is our daughter. Or is more delicious and there. Or is more delicious and there. Okay, next. Okay, second person. Second person is the point of view of a second person or someone we are talking to at that time. The pronoun used in second person singular is you if as a subject, your or yours. If to show ownership, just like we are ours, you, yours as a mean, you singular or you plural. The way to find out is to understand the concept of what is being discussed. Example sentences is a subject. You are the best student in this class. You are the best student in this class. You know her name? Do you know his name? Example sentence showing ownership. Is this your pencil, Andy? Is this your pencil, Adi? This is not mine. This is your. This is not mine. This is your. Okay. Next. Third person singular. The pronoun used the third person singular is he, she, it. The situation that occurs is when we talk about someone who is not present between us. Example sentence as subject. She is a banker. She is a bank employee. Annie speak English fluently. Annie speak English fluently. Example sentence as objects. Don't scream in front of her face. Don't scream in front of her face. Robbie loved her. Robbie loved him. Example sentence showing ownership. This is Annie's book. This is Annie's book. I am her friend. I am her friend. Okay, next. Okay, next. Third person plural. The pronoun used the third person plural is they, them, their. The situation that occurs is when talking about or talk one person, two or more who is not present among us. Example sentence as subject they are from the same class. They are from the same class. There are famous family in this city. There are famous family in this city. Do they think this book is good? Do they think this book is good? Example of sentence as subject. I like them. I like them. Some of them are from Bekasi. Some of them are from Bekasi. She makes them angry. She makes them angry. Same example sentence showing ownership. Their painting is so amazing. Their painting is so amazing. The garden is there. The garden belongs to them. The girls give their shoes for charity. The girls give their shoes to charity. For grammars who have mastered English well enough and want to learn tense in more depth, Gramedia has solution, namely learning tense through stories, which are sure to be extended as well as informative. The book and learning tense easily through story tense through story plus the written by the by in Gunawan will be alternative for those you who want to learn English tense but are bored with just reading a sentence. Okay, next. Use simple present tense. Use simple present tense. The difficult in determining whether a sentence is a present tense is because you don't understand the event referred to in the simple present tense. Actually, it's a quit. Simple grammar only needs to understand that simple present tense is a sentence that can be used in the following condition. Recurring events are events that occur regularly or are habits that are carried out. Usually marker with a time information. Example sentence. I eat 3 times a day. I eat 3 times a day. Our class start 9 a.m. Our class start at 9. I am a doctor. I am doctor. Okay, next. General truth. Explain fact general truth that can be need example sentence. The sunrise from the east, sunrise from the east. Rabbit is vegetable. Rabbit is vegetable. An example sentence is I am excited about this good news. I'm happy to hear this good news. Cat oh, I'm happy. Good. Cats have 4 legs. Cats have 4 legs. She is so beautiful. She is very beautiful. Next, give orders or instruction. An example sentence is a pour sugar into the glass of water and stir it until they mix. Pour the sugar into a glass of water and stir until mixed. Charge battery ignore until the battery icon full charge. Charge the battery until the battery icon full charge. Okay, next future condition. State condition that will come, but the time is already scheduled or close to now at example sentence. The birthday party starts from 7 p.m. The birthday party will start at 7 p.m. Arrive at home at 6 a.m. Arrive home at 6 a.m. Okay, next. Adverb of frequency. I'm recognizing simple present tense sentence. It can be seen from the time information because simple present tense is a sentence that show repeated even in general term. The time information commonly used in the simple present tense is as follows. Always, usually, sometimes, often, seldom, rare, never, 3 times a day, 3 times a day, 3 days a week, 3 days per week, once month, every month, every month. Next, next. Simple present tense, positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Understanding the simple present tense will easier if we know several examples. Simple present tense positive. Is a teacher. Is a teacher. She like burgers. She like burgers. I read a book. I read a book. Next. Simple present tense negative. He is not a teacher. Is not a teacher. I don't like a burger. I don't like burgers. I don't read a book. I don't read book. Is a teacher. Is a teacher. Okay, simple present tense as is a teacher. Is a teacher. Do she likes burgers? Do she likes burgers? Do I read a book? Do I read a book? Okay. Uh, okay. That's all from me. If there are wrong words, please forgive me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Introduction. My name is Agung Yudhoyono. Today I will speak about student Wismap and campus. As we know, campus is where we study, develop, and prepare for the future. It's not about pursuing knowledge, but it also helps us be responsible individuals, discipline, and respect for right and comfort of others. But we all know that there are some of our friends who still smoke in the campus or even talk. There are already clear rules regarding areas where smoking is prohibited. This habit is besides being unhealthy for the smoke themselves also has a negative impact on the people around them who breathe it in. Smoke in campus area is not only against the rules, but also has a negative impact on our health. Many studies have shown the dangers of cigarette smoke, which contains thousands of harmful chemicals. Cigarette smoke not only damage lung health, but can also increase the risk of the serious diseases such as cancer, heart attack, and respiratory disorders. Therefore, we have a moral obligation to respect the right of all non-smoking friends and maintain a healthy environment and campus. Okay? Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.